Hey there, video editors looking for the best video editing software for 2025. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 must-have tools that will take your projects to the next level. First up, Adobe Premiere Pro. Known as the gold standard for professionals, Premiere Pro offers a flexible user interface and a suite of powerful editing tools. It's perfect for those who demand precision and control over their edits. Next, we've got Final Cut Pro. If you're a Mac user, this one's for you. Final Cut Pro is celebrated for its speed and efficiency in video processing, making it a favorite among content creators who need to churn out high-quality videos quickly. Moving on to DaVinci Resolve. This software is a game changer, especially for color correction, and the best part, it's free. With advanced editing features, DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse for both beginners and seasoned pros. Then there's HitFilm Express. Another fantastic free option, HitFilm Express comes loaded with a variety of visual effects tools. It's perfect for editors who love to experiment with VFX and need a robust platform without breaking the bank. Last but not least, Filmora. This one's tailor-made for beginners. Filmora is incredibly user-friendly, offering a good selection of templates and effects to get you started. It's a great way to dive into the world of video editing without feeling overwhelmed. So there you have it, the top 5 video editing programs for 2025. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, there's a tool on this list for you. Click the link in the description to find more resources and get started on your next project today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.